Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode. So in this week, I start taking apart the front end of my Jetta to replace the suspension, a bunch of worn out bushings, CV axles, wheel bearings, and probably some other stuff I'm forgetting about. Forgive me for this first part of this episode. I don't do the best job filming. I was still kind of feeling sorry for myself for dropping a wheel on my hand, but I did the best that I could to get everything apart so I can get this car back on the road. So I hope you like the episode. Thanks for watching.
I've been staying strong on my feet, keeping my heels below my knees, but I can't help feeling weak. Every day I wake up, it's harder to breathe, and we've been on the same grid, but you feel so distant. Is it distance that's killing my vision? I can't see a way making it through this, so tell me you feel the same. Can we just skip to the end? I just wanna feel again. I think we've been moving too fast. I just wanna relax. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna think we've been moving too fast. I can't really keep up. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna, yeah. I think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. I think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. I think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast. I think we've been moving too fast. Moving too fast.
Real shit, I ain't got a lot to say. These games that we play only make our hearts ache, and we act like we ain't asked for this pain, and we act like we were willing to change, knowing damn well that we weren't, knowing damn well that we are cursed, knowing damn well how bad it hurts to expose yourself. Someone's too immersed in their own pain to go and fucking feel yours. If my heart wasn't broke, I'd have gladly healed yours, but this ain't real love. We are just children pretending to be grown, so maybe we can feel love, but this ain't that. It's delayed indifference, and I wish it was different, but it just isn't. We're both looking outside ourselves to try and fix the parts of our souls that have wandered up within us.
I think we've been moving too fast. I just wanna relax. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna think we've been moving too fast. I can't really keep up. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna, yeah.
We walked a lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope. All my pride is gone with the truth that I was shown. Time will grow, we'll still be alone. But our hearts say won't stop beating, and our wounds they won't stop bleeding. Oh no, our eyes they won't stop seeing, and our hands they won't stop reaching. So take us as we are, but take us not at all. We built a bridge to the stars just to watch it fall. In this curse of flashes, we're gonna ride. And though it's not a lot, well it's all we got, yeah. We walked a lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope. All my pride is gone with the truth that I was.
So it's about halfway through the project, and I just want to give you an update on where I am. So last night I had my friend Ryan and Eric, shout out to them because they're absolutely lifesavers, pressed in my new wheel bearings on my hubs, and then also pressed in new control arm bushings, which took every bit of 80 tons to get those in. So the new bushings are in, the new wheel bearings are in, pretty much everything is disassembled here. Today I'm going to go ahead and replace the tie rods, and I might take the struts apart. I'm waiting on dust covers because I never ordered new dust covers, and I found the ones on there were completely disintegrated when I got in there. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on, to button everything back up. But today I'm going to get those tie rods replaced. And then once the dust covers come in, I can put the new struts in and then reassemble everything. And then I can't wait to drive it and see how it feels. I do have to get alignment obviously with the new tie rods and I guess lower suspension and everything moved around. So I'll make sure to get a good alignment before I start driving it, so I don't eat my tires apart. But yeah, I can't wait to drive it. So with that, let's get to it and change the tie rods.
Though in time will grow, we'll still be alone. But our hearts, they won't stop beating. Hands are weak, they won't stop bleeding. Oh no, no, our eyes, they won't stop bleeding. And our hands, they won't stop reaching. Take the wrinkle from my brow, the limp from my step, the obsession for my crown, my heavy laden breath, lack deep from my mouth, broken heart from my chest. All this ugliness you found, well I pray you can accept, cause we are broken, weary and beat down. We've no energy to imitate these screens now, we've no taste for the life that they leech out. Time has moved us past the reach of eve now. We walk the lonely road, so far from home. All we've come to know is a weary search for hope. All my pride is gone with the truth that I was shown. Though in time will grow, we'll still be alone. We've been walking through the forest with blood on our hands. We got lost in such a foreign lands where we could be free. We could be free. I'm a pagan, I'm a pilgrim, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I'm one of God's children that's descended from the snake. We've been deceived, we've been deceived. She was the morning sun, slowly exposed to her brilliance, slowly exposed to her brilliance. Oh, I owe the taste of her love, the taste of her love, it filled me. Taste of her love, it filled me. Oh, I owe. We've been walking through the forest with blood on our hands. We got lost in such a foreign lands where we could be free. We could be free. I'm a pagan, I'm a pilgrim, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I'm one of God's children that's descended from the snake. We've been deceived.